Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to withdraw on COWRYWISE. Hey guys, thanks a lot for clicking on this video. Now if you're new here, please do me a favor by clicking on the subscribe button below and also the notification bell right next to it. Just click on that also too. That way whenever I bring out a new video like this, you'll be the first to be notified about it. And also by the time we're done with this video, if you're trying to like this kind of video and you like this kind of content, please do me a favor by letting me know by clicking on the like button below too also. That way I know that you actually like seeing stuff like this, and that way I bring out stuff like this also too in the future. Now thank you very much, and we'll get on with the video now. Now a couple of days ago, my savings plan on COWRYWISE actually got matured and it was right for me to actually withdraw it. So I thought to myself, why don't I just bring you guys along on the journey to see how I did it, how much I made, basically how the whole process of withdrawing it, how easy it is, or was it easy or was it not easy. And there were also some things in there too that it would actually need explaining what it was for you to actually know what to actually do in that situation. So basically this video is just me bringing you guys along on that journey and showing you guys what to actually do when you actually want to withdraw your savings on COWRYWISE after it has matured. So yeah guys, welcome back, and I'm going to just show you guys a plan that is already matured and ready to be withdrawn from. So as you can see, I have a plan that is already matured and I would like to withdraw from it. So let's just go right ahead. So as you can see, the plan is already matured. That's my principal right there. That's my returns over the last 3 months. It's a 3-month plan actually. So as you can see, it's already matured. And then I'm just going to click on the withdraw. As you can see, the withdrawal button is actually available and ready to be clicked on. So when the plan is not matured, I'm going to quickly show you a plan that's not matured, and you would see that the withdraw button is not even available. So you can't actually withdraw from a plan that's not matured yet, unlike some other platforms that you save on. You can actually withdraw the money. Once you are saving on COWRYWISE, you can't withdraw the money. So as you can see here, right here, the withdrawal button is actually not available, so I can't actually click on that. So that's something to note. So let's just quickly go back to the other plan. So yes, the plan is ready, and then what I'm just going to do is click on the withdraw button. Now after clicking on that, as you can see, it's asking me how much would I like to withdraw, and I would like to withdraw everything to my bank account actually. So I'm just going to quickly put in the amount it's stating for me to withdraw. So I'm just going to put in everything, and then now I don't have a bank account. I've not actually added a bank account yet, so I'm going to click on add a bank account. So when you're doing it for the first time, you will most likely need to add a bank account. So you click on add a bank account, and then all I'm just going to do here is put in my bank account number and the bank that I actually bank with. So I bank with Guarantee Trust Bank. I'm just going to quickly put that in. And then now it's ready. That's my name right there. I click on the add bank, and then in this pin, this particular pin is actually your stash pin. Okay, so the pin that you actually have to put in here is your stash pin. So when you're creating your account, most likely you put in your stash pin, but if you don't know anything about your stash pin, you should contact the customer service. They will help you out with it. But this right here is your stash pin, so just so you know. So I'm going to quickly type in mine. And now that I've typed in mine, as you can see, it's processing and it's ready to withdraw. So basically it took me back to the beginning of this again. So what I'm just going to do is quickly type in the amount that I want to withdraw. So hold on a minute. So now that I'm ready, I'm just going to select my bank account and then click on the next. Because I've added my bank account already, so I'm just going to click on the next button. It's just going to go straight through to the next option. And then it's asking me, do I want to withdraw this amount? Of course I'm going to withdraw the amount. I'm just going to click OK, cool. And then this particular part right here is just basically letting you create another plan. Okay, so basically the date that you have to put in here is just, it's not actually important. So it's actually just something you put in to create another plan. So they need to create another plan for you to be able to withdraw your money. Now you don't actually have to put money inside this plan. Okay, you're just creating the plan so that it will be there. So that's just what it is. So I'm just going to put in any date. So you have to put in a date that is okay for you. So you can put in a date into the future. Okay, at least 3 months into the future. That's the date that you actually have to put in here. So I'm just going to put in a date that, you know, that I feel like putting at least in 3 months into the future. So that's why it doesn't let me choose any other date. It's only making me choose from 29th onward of August. So at least now it's going to allow me to be able to withdraw after putting in a date like this. So now that the date is ready, all I'm just going to do is basically click on the withdraw button and then withdraw my money, and the money should be in my account as soon as it's done. Yes, and as you can see, withdrawal successful. It actually didn't take time for the money to actually hit my account. So that's the process right there. Simple and easy, very straightforward to do. It's actually not hard. So this was that other plan that I just created. As you can see, I can just leave it this way. I don't really need to put money in it. It just needs to be here. They just needed it to be created. So I can, if I want to, I can start adding money to it if I want. So it doesn't really matter anyways. So yeah, that's it, guys. So I hope you found this helpful, and I hope it had been very enjoyable for you as it was for me. So any question you have, just let me know in the comment section below. All right, guys, cheers. So yeah, guys, as you can see, the process was very straightforward. It was very easy for me to withdraw the money. From the moment I clicked on the withdraw button to hit it in my account, the time was very short. Like, I didn't even have to wait too long before I actually got the money in my bank account, and it was very easy. It was very effortless to actually withdraw the money, and it was very straightforward. So if you're actually trying to withdraw, I hope this video actually shows you guys how to do it and how easy it is also. So your experience is not going to be very much different from what I just experienced. So it's actually a very good thing. So if you don't know what COWRYWISE is, there are going to be links below. I've done videos about this in the past explaining what COWRYWISE is, and if you'd also like to sign up, the link is also still going to be below, and by using that link you actually get a bonus for actually signing up and registering with that link. That's actually my personal link right there. I will also get a bonus too when you actually sign up. So yeah, so do well by clicking on the link below if you've not actually signed up on COWRYWISE. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Now if you found this video informative, please do me a favor by letting me know by clicking on the like button below, and also too, if you're not a subscriber to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell right next to it, so that way whenever I bring out new videos like this, you'll be notified. So anyways, guys, that's the end of this video, and thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.